It's Token Empire, guys, and today, best Web3 marketing agency for crypto project in 2026, cryptopromo review. So stay tuned. And hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, guys. So if you're launching a crypto project in 2026, listen carefully, because having a great idea is not enough anymore. Without the right Web3 marketing agency, your project will most likely fail no matter how good it is. So in this video, I'm reviewing one of the most talked about options right now, cryptopromo. So guys, before this video starts, I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. So guys, let's be honest, the crypto space is crowded. Thousands of projects are launching every month and most of them disappear because they don't have a proper marketing. And this is exactly where a strong Web3 marketing agency comes in. They help you with visibility, community growth, investor attention, and overall brand positioning. Without this, your token is basically invisible, which you of course don't want. So what actually is cryptopromo? So cryptopromo is a Web3 marketing agency that focuses specifically on crypto, blockchain, and NFT projects. Unlike traditional marketing agencies, they understand token launches, exchange listings, and influencer marketing in crypto, and how to build the hype in Web3 space. And that's a big advantage. So cryptopromo offers a wide range of services that, of course, any serious Web3 marketing agency should, of course, provide. Influencer marketing campaigns, PR and, of course, media placements, social media growth, community management, and static consulting. Basically, they cover everything from pre-launch hype to post-launch growth. So there we have the plans. When you go to the website, we have plans here in the top side of the screen where you can go, and here you can go and click scale your project and see which plans are there for you. You can put in your project name, email, and everything to get, of course, started and see your strategy. But here you can, of course, go and see which plans, of course, they have and which plans you can, of course, get. So we have the Moonshot Starter, 120K plus, as you can see, Bull Run Elite, 2 million plus. So we have YouTube Crypto Influencer plans, we have the plan for 300K, 600K, 800K, and 1.5 million. So that's where you can do it. We have for X also, so you can go and check it out there on cryptopromo, where I just, of course, showed you. So now, what makes cryptopromo stand out as a Web3 marketing agency? First is niche focused. They are fully focused on Web3, not e-commerce, not local businesses, just crypto. Second, network. They already have connection with influencers, media platforms, and communities in the crypto space. And third, execution. Instead of just giving advice, they actually help run campaigns that bring real results. So who should use this Web3 marketing agency? Cryptopromo is ideal for new crypto startups, NFT projects, DeFi platforms, and even established projects looking to scale. But if you're experimenting on or not serious about your project, this might not be for you. So let's just quickly go and break it down. So pros are strong focus on Web3 marketing agency, full focus service marketing solution, experiencing crypto campaigns. Cons is not the cheapest, of course. Sometimes we have the options that are not the cheapest, but of course you have the options for every person, of course, if they of course what is from your budget. And of course it still, of course, requires your involvement and strategy, of course, but that's something that you want. You don't want to just go and let somebody do everything for you. So the cons are not that big of a cons, if you ask me. So is cryptopromo the best Web3 marketing agency in 2026? It's definitely one of the top contenders, in my opinion, the best. If you're serious about launching or scaling crypto project, working with a specialized Web3 marketing agency like cryptopromo can make a huge difference. So also you have there, of course, to order. You can go to the bottom right corner and click on order to order on Telegram, which is pretty easy and simple to use. In the bottom right corner, we have the Telegram also, so you can go and click on there to, of course, get your first, of course, project and token launched. So I highly recommend you, of course, doing that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.